Good. It's a great feeling. You know, you won the first game in the NCAA tournament. One of the biggest games in the NCAA tournament, but now you just can't be happy too quick because you have to turn around and play another great team on Saturday.
Obviously, let's talk about the way Cavell kind of came out in this game, kind of imposed his will defensively, had a bunch of blocks, and was able to run the floor as well. Talk about his game and how he played in this game.
Cavell did an outstanding job running the floor, blocking shots, rebounding, layups, made free throws. He did all the things he's supposed to do to help us win, and I'm pretty sure he's proud about how he played too.
Talk about this team. You guys. This is another game, obviously, without Woodward on the sideline. Tony Benford has always been at the helm. Having another game under your belt with him at the helm, has it gotten a little bit easier knowing that without Wade, you guys can get wins?
It's all the same. He coached right along with Coach Wade, so they kind of coach the same, and we respect him just how we respect Coach Wade. So it's kind of the same.
So now, what do you learn from a game like this? Obviously, you guys blew that. There was a little bit of a lead. You tried to come back in this game. You guys never really relinquished it, but it got a little close there at the end. What do you learn to try to, keep your foot on people's necks and get wins?
Just not really relaxing that much, and not at all. But just playing our game and being ourselves and just keep attacking when we can.